Hello guys, it's Dale here with weekly trading ideas video for this week starting today, the 16th of May 2022. Now, before I go into the trading ideas, I'd like to announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of the contest was volume profile indicator for MetaTrader 4 platform, and right now on your screen you see the name of the person who won in the contest, who won the volume profile indicator. So congratulations to the winner, and what I'll do next time is I'll do another contest, and the only thing that you need to do to participate in this contest is just leave a comment below this video, which I'll upload on YouTube, and next week I'll randomly pick one person to win my volume profile indicator. Alright, so that's about the contest, and let's now have a look at the trading ideas. The first one is going to be on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's been on a very strong sell-off recently, and today I'm going to talk about day trading support and resistances on Bitcoin. So we are talking about intraday trading because from the long-term perspective, I think that there'll be more selling activity, that Bitcoin will go even lower, and I'm thinking that Bitcoin will reach the 20,000 mark, and chances are that it will reverse from there. But that's another topic from another video, which I actually already made, and it's on my website, my long-term prediction on Bitcoin, so you can check it out. But today I'll be talking about intraday trading Bitcoin and about intraday resistances and one intraday support. So let's first talk about the resistances. So let's have a look at this area. In this area today there was a pretty strong sell-off, right, from here to here, and this was pretty sharp selling activity, especially this one and then this more recent one. Now, before the first sell-off, before the first aggressive sell-off today, there were those heavy volumes accumulated, right? And this is telling us that strong and aggressive sellers were building up their short positions in here, right? And afterwards, they pushed the price downwards. So this is important zone for them, because they placed a lot of their positions here, right? We can see that with the volume profile tool. So that's the first resistance at 31k, resistance number one. And then the second resistance is in here at 30,200. And this one is based on this volume cluster. Those were volumes that got traded in here in this little rotation that got formed when there was this sell-off. So this is another volume zone which got accumulated within this downtrend, and again this is an important zone for sellers because they were adding to their shorts here, right? So when there's a pullback to that first resistance, which is beginning in here at the beginning of that volume cluster, then I think that there'll be a reaction, and then if the price continues to rise to the second resistance, well, this should be resistance number 2 and this should be resistance number 1 actually. So anyways, when there is a pullback to the second resistance, then again there should be a reaction, this time from sellers from here. All right, so those are the two resistances on Bitcoin, day trading resistances, and there's also one support. I'm not sure how strong it is because currently there is this strong sell-off, and chances are the price will just shoot past that support, right? So this one could be pretty risky to trade, but I just wanted to mention it because it is there. The price needs to breach it. So it is based on those volumes which I circled in here. And from this heavy volume area, you can see that there was this strong buying activity, which is a sign of buyers. Now, the question is, how strong are those buyers gonna be when the price reaches this place? Sure, there were some buyers in here, but currently sellers clearly dominate the market, and I wouldn't be really surprised if the sellers just pushed through this support and the price just blew past it. All right, so there is a support but the question is, will it hold or no? Alright, so this would be a risky long from here. So yeah, those are the current resistances and support that I see with volume profile on the Bitcoin. Now let's check out another chart. The next trading idea that I like to talk about is on the Canadian dollar Swiss franc. So what we have in here is a setup that I call the volume accumulation setup, and it is based on volumes which got accumulated in here, and after those volumes got accumulated, there was this aggressive buying activity. This aggressive buying activity is telling us that this area was a place where strong institutional buyers were building up their long positions, right? At this place we can see that with volume profile. And afterwards those strong buyers pushed the price into strong buying activity, into strong uptrend. So for that reason, when there's a pullback to that zone, to the beginning of that zone, which is at 0.7695, I expect that the buyers from this place will want to defend this place and push the price upwards from there again. Alright, so that's why I think that this is a strong support and that the price will react from there. So that's the Canadian dollar Swiss franc. And the next trading idea that I like to talk about is on the Australian dollar Swiss franc. So what we had at the Australian dollar in the beginning of today's Asian session was a pretty strong sell-off, pretty surprising sell-off, and this is based on that sell-off. The resistance I'm going to show you is based on that sell-off. It is in here at 0.6957, and it is based on this volume cluster, those volumes which got traded within this rejection. This is rejection of higher prices, right? Because the price went strongly upwards, then reversed and went downwards. And inside that reversal, there were those massive volumes accumulated. So this is a sign that strong sellers were active in here, reversing the price and then starting this newly formed downtrend. So for that reason, when there is a pullback to the beginning of that heavy volume zone, I expect sellers from here to defend this heavy volume area and push the price downwards from there again. Alright, that zone begins at 0.6957. So yeah, that's what I currently see on the Australian dollar Swiss franc 30-minute chart. Now, if you guys would like to learn more about trading with volume profile, then what I recommend is visiting my website. And this is it, trader-dale.com. And what I recommend is going here, trading course and tools. So you click that, scroll down a bit, and I recommend checking out the Elite Pack. The Elite Pack is educational and indicator package where you'll get a video course on how to trade with volume profile, my personal trading levels, you'll be getting these every day, volume profile indicators, and a couple of bonuses. There's a video which you can watch. The video will show you in detail exactly what you are going to get. Alright? Now currently we are running a Memorial Day sale. You can get the Elite Pack for a discounted price. Alright, so that's about that. That's about this video and also about the Elite Pack. Thanks for watching, and I will be looking forward to seeing you in some next video or in our members area, and until then, happy trading.